Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with parking sensors, third row seating, AM/FM CD audio system with Nissan Connect, steering wheel controls, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed sensing steering, keyless entry, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.